Our today's topic is understand the role of intra and inter-organizational benchmarking in supply chain and operations. Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Yasir Gulfraz and I'm your tutor for supply chain management. Today we will discuss understanding the significance of and the role of intra and inter-organizational benchmarking in supply chain and operations. Before I start, I just would like to ask that if there is any issue, concerns, please do let me know. And can you see my screen or can you hear my voice if anyone is there? Okay. So evaluating a critical performance indicator, understanding KPIs or key performance indicators are quantifiable metrics used to evaluate the effectiveness and efficiency of supply chain processes. In supply chain management, KPIs are essential as they provide a clear, measurable way to assess performance. KPIs serve as benchmark against which organizations can compare their current performance and set improvement targets. So the word of key performance indicators and how they play a vital role in evaluating the critical performance on supply chain process. KPIs indicators are quantifiable metrics that organizations use to assess the effectiveness and efficiency of their supply chain operations. So they provide a standardized and measurable way to gauge performance, serving as benchmark against which an organization can compare in current performance and set improvement targets. So why are KPIs important in supply chain management? Any comments or any idea if anyone is there? Okay. So KPIs is important in supply chain management because of a few reasons. First is measurement. KPIs offer a standardized method to measure and track performance across various aspects of the supply chain. Then focus, they help organizations prioritize areas that require attention, ensuring resources are allocated effectively. Accountability, KPIs assigns responsibility by making individuals or teams accountable for specific metrics. Continuous improvement, KPIs supports a culture of continuous improvement by setting clear targets. Communications, they facilitate communication within the organization by providing a common language for discussing performance. So now that we understand the importance of KPIs, so here evaluating critical performance indicators. So here we will discuss different type of KPIs used to supply chain management. So explore type of key chain. I mean, in our that above we learned why KPIs are like for effective supply chain management. Hello there. Hello.
Hi, good evening. Yasir.
Good evening. Hi all. How are you? You okay?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Sorry for joining a little bit late.
No, that's fine. No problem. No problem. I just started now. Anyway,
Okay.
how are you anyway?
I'm doing well so
No.
far. Yeah.
All right. Okay. So here we are talking about KPIs. You know that I just started now. So if you have any question at the end of our lecture, you can ask. Okay.
All right. Yeah.
So KPIs. We discussed the various types of KPI used to measure different aspects of performance in the supply chain. So basically, KPIs are important for effective supply chain management because they offer several benefits. Measurements, KPIs provide, I'm not lost, I hope. Yeah. Standardized way to measure and track performance across different aspects of the supply chain. Then focus, they help organizations prioritize areas that require attention, ensuring resources are allocated effectively. Accountability, KPIs assign responsibility by making individuals or team accountable for specific yes specific where I was metrics. Continuous improvement, KPIs support a culture of continuous improvement by setting clear targets. Then communications, they facilitate communication within the organization by providing a common language for discussing performance. So KPIs also used to measure different aspect of performance in the supply chain, as he said, but also, cost KPIs that these metrics track expenses related to procurement, productions, transportations, and inventory. Then quality KPIs, key performance indicators like quality metrics assess the accuracy, reliability, and consistency of products and services. Then delivery KPIs, these measures the timelines and reliability of deliveries to customers. Timely and dependable deliveries are essential for customer satisfaction and loyalty. Then we come to the inventory KPIs. Inventory metrics help manage stock levels, reducing excess or stock out. Efficient inventory management can significantly impact a company's bottom line. Then we talk about customer services KPIs. These gauge customer satisfaction on time delivery and response times, on time response. Obviously, happy customers are more likely to become repeat customers. So, any question so far or any? Hello?
No questions.
Okay. All right. Okay. So these I just discussed. So how are you anyway? All you okay?
Yeah, I'm doing well so
Okay,
far.
good.
We have holiday here today, so
Oh, okay, okay. You were off last week. I haven't seen you last week, so.
yeah. I wasn't available here this way,
Oh,
but
okay,
I'm
okay.
there today. Yeah.
Okay. So selecting relevant KPIs. Here we will discuss selecting relevant KPIs. Organizations hold carefully select KPIs that align with their strategic goals and challenges. Tailoring KPIs to specific objectives ensures relevance and meaningful measurements. For example, if the goal is to reduce delivery times, KPIs related to on-time delivery and order processing time become important. So KPIs for your supply chain management, it is very essential to choose KPIs that aligns with your strategic goals and challenges. Like he's talking about tailoring KPIs to specific objectives, ensures relevance and meaningful measurements. And then he's giving an example. If your goal is to reduce delivery time, KPIs related to on-time delivery and order processing time becomes important. Also remember, the right KPI, key performance indicator, can make a significant difference in your ability to assess and improve supply chain performance. Any question so far?
No questions.
Okay. Can you see my screen? I hope there's no issue.
Yeah, I can see your screen. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So next one is explain how benchmarking can help organizations improve their supply chain. So have you got any idea about what benchmarking is?
Yeah, basically putting the organization's potential, giving it a value or something like that.
Yeah, that's right. So benchmarking is a systematic process that involves comparing an organization's practices and performance against those of others. Okay, it's a valuable tools for organizations to assess their own performance and identify areas where improvements can be made. Through benchmarking, organizations can gain insights from industry best practices and learn from the success of others in their field. Benchmarking is a systematic process that involves comparing on an organization's practices and performance against those of others. So it is valuable tools for assessing your own performance and identifying areas where important improvements can be made. Any questions or any? Okay.
No.
So here, intra-organizational benchmarkings. Intra-organizational benchmarking, which involves, comparing different units or departments within the same organizations. So this approach encourages healthy competition among internal units and facilitates the sharing of best practices. It is an effective way to optimize processes and improve efficiency within the organizations. Next is a benefit of intra organizational benchmarks. Intra-organizational benchmark offers several benefits like identifying areas of improvement. So by comparing different units, organizations can pinpoint areas that need improvement and take corrective actions. Then enhancing cross-functional collaboration. Benchmarking prompts collaboration between different departments, leading to a more integrated approach to problem solving. Then encouraging healthy competitions. Internal competition can drive teams to excel and find innovative solution to challenges. Then driving continuous improvement. Internal organizational benchmarking fosters a culture of continuous improvement where teams are motivated to consistently enhance their performance. So these benefits make intra-organizational benchmarking a valuable practice for organizations looking to optimize their supply chain operations. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay. So intra-organizational benchmarking, which involves comparing an organization's performance with external entities such as industry peers to competitors. This type of benchmarking offer valuable insights and a broader perspective on industry best practices, enabling organizations to identify opportunities for improvement and maintain a competitive edge. Then benefit of intra-organization benchmarking. Again, benefits of inter-organizational benchmarking include that gaining a broader perspectives by looking outside the organizations. Companies can gain broader perspectives on industry trends, innovations, and best practices. Then identifying cost reductions opportunities. Learning from others can help organizations identify cost saving opportunities and improve overall efficiency. Then enhancing strategic decision making. Benchmarking provides data driven insights that can inform strategic decision making and help organizations align their goals with industry standards. Then inspiring innovations, learning from the success of others can inspire innovation within the organization, or driving creativity and problem solving. Any questions, Pearl? Anyway,
no.
you can look at here as well, because I'm going through today as well, because this, this slides and this lecture is prepared by myself. So,
Okay.
yeah, if you can see
It,
that.
it is
Sorry?
there on Moodle, right? I can view this on Moodle.
Yeah, this won't be on Moodle, because as I said, this is a prepared by myself. These slides are prepared by myself. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Because when you get from a UK university, it's a different slide, but there was only a learning outcomes, specifications. So what I did that I make this by myself. Okay.
Right. Okay.
So I will, what I'll do that I can email you or message you after my lecture. Okay.
Yeah, I have your WhatsApp number anyway, so I can ping you on that.
Yeah, I can message you WhatsApp,
Okay.
no problem.
All right. Yeah.
Just remind me.
Yeah,
But
sure.
it's that you can see your unit specification. I'm going through every single learning outcome, so there won't be any problem.
Okay. All right.
So next one is learning from the success of others can inspire innovations within the organizations, driving creativity and problem solving. So inter-organizational benchmarking is a powerful tool for organization striving to excel in their supply chain management. So any question or any comments?
No comments.
Okay,
Questions.
so benchmark process. I just want to talk here about something. So benchmark process, the benchmark process involves several key steps: planning, data collections, analysis, implementations. So data analysis, planning, the journey begins with the planning. In this phase, you define the objectives of the benchmarking process. What are you trying to achieve? You also select benchmarking partners or organizations with whom you will compare your performance. Then we come to the data collections. Gather relevant data from both your organization and benchmarking partners. So basically, once you have set your objectives and chosen your partners, it is time to gather relevant data. This involves collecting information from both your organization and your benchmarking partners. Then analysis, compare the collected data to identify performance gaps and areas of improvement. With the data in hand, it is time to roll up your sleeves and get into the analysis. You compare the collected data to identify performance gaps and areas that need improvement. Then last one is implementations. Develop action plans based on the findings to address, identify areas of improvement and monitor progress. So analysis leads to action. In this phase, you develop actions plans based on the finding from your benchmarking exercise. These plans are important to addressing identified areas for improvement. Also, don't forget to monitor your progress. So next one, we will talk about tools and technology in benchmarking. So technologies that can make it more, efficient. Tools, technology in benchmarking. Here we will discuss the technological side of benchmarking. So here some tools and technologies that play a important role. So benchmarking software and database, these tools facilitate data collection, analysis, and comparison with benchmarking partners. Uh, these tools make then analytics and visualization tools. Data analytics tool help organizations make sense of the collected data, while visualization tool make complex data more understandable. Collaboration platform for sharing insights and collaboration with benchmarking partners are essential for a successful benchmarking process. So first one is benchmarking software. These tools make data collection, analysis, and comparison with benchmarking partners much more manageable. So they streamline the process and provide valuable insights. Then data analysis and visualization tools can help organization make sense of the data they have collected. Visualization tools come into play to make complex data more understandable through charts, graphs, and dashboards. Then collaboration platforms is key in benchmarking. Platforms that facilitate sharing insights and collaborating with benchmarking partners are essential for a successful benchmarking process. Any questions? Any comments?
No, so far.
Okay. Case study here, inter-organizational benchmarking of XYZ Electronics is a prominent player in the consumer electronics industry, known for producing cutting-edge electronic devices. So the electronics industry is highly competitive with rapid technological advancements and ever-changing consumer preference. Benchmarking process and partners XYZ Electronics recognize the need to enhance its supply chain efficiency to remain competitive. They embarked on an inter-organizational benchmarking journey. So benchmarking partners, company A, leading competitor in the electronic industries, and B, a logistic and supply chain management expert from a different sectors. So basically, here we put our knowledge into practice with a case study. So we look at inter-organizational benchmarking in action at XYZ Electronics. So here, organization and industry context. Yes. So XYZ Electronic is a prominent player in the consumer electronics industries, are known for producing cutting edge electronics devices. The electronic industry is highly competitive with rapid technological advancement and ever-cutting changing consumer performance. So then he is talking about benchmarking process and partners. And then company A leading competitor in the electronic industries, and B is a logistic and supply chain expert from a different sector. So here we will talk that how the process unfolded, interchange organizational benchmarking at XY Z Electronics. So planning here. Planning XYZ Electronics defined clear objectives, focusing on reducing production lead times and enhancing inventory management. Then data collection, they gathered comprehensive data on supply chain processes, including production, inventory, and logistics. This data came from both internal sources and benchmarking partners. Then analysis, the gathered data was, deeply analyzed to identify performance gaps and areas requiring improvements. Then implementations, action plans were developed incorporating best practices learned from the benchmarking partners. So the result was impressive. So reduced production lead time, implementing best practices from company A led to a significant reductions in production lead times, enabling XYZ Electronics to bring new products to market faster. Then optimized inventory management. Insight from company B's supply chain expertise helped XYZ Electronics streamline inventory management, reducing carrying costs. Then enhance supplier collaboration, benchmarking revealed successful strategies for strengthening supplier relationship, leading to improved reliability and reduced supply chain disruptions. So these tangible benefits demonstrate the power of inter-organizational benchmarking in driving supply chain improvements. Any questions or any comments?
No questions.
Okay, so challenges in benchmarking. Any idea about challenging in benchmarking or any comments?
This I don't know. This part not really experienced.
Okay, no problem. So here we are addressing the challenges you might encounter during the benchmarking process in supply chain management. So here we are talking about some common challenges and strategies to overcome them. So data accuracy, ensuring data accuracy and consistency among benchmarking partners can be challenged. Ensuring data accuracy and consistency among benchmarking partners can be challenging. A solution, implement rigorous data verification process to ensure the accuracy and reliability of shared data. Then resistance to change. Employees may resist change suggested by benchmarking finding, fearing disruption. So how to deal with it? So develop a comprehensive change management plan to address resistance and ensure smooth implementation of improvements. Then data confidentiality, sharing sensitive supply chain data with external partners can raise concerns about confidentiality and security. So the answer, invest is in robust data security measures such as like a cyber security, encryptions, and access controls to protect confidential information. So by understanding and proactively addressing these changes, organizations can make their benchmarking efforts more successfully. Here, that also is talking about data verification process, implement rigorous data verification process to ensure the accuracy and reliability of shared data. Then change management, develop a comprehensive change management plan to address resistance and ensure smooth implementation of improvements. Then data security measures, invest in robust data security measures such as encryption and access controls to protect confidential information, as we just discussed. Then we are coming to best practices. Best practices for successful benchmarking in supply chain management. To make your benchmarking efforts successful, consider these guidelines clearly defined objectives, ensures benchmarking objectives are well-defined and aligned with organizational goals to maximize relevance. Then careful selection of partners, choose benchmarking partners based on their relevance to the specific goals and their willingness to share data and insights. Then open communications, maintain transparent and open communication with benchmarking partners throughout the process to facilitate knowledge sharing. Then continuous review and adaptation, continuous review and updates benchmarking process to update to change industry dynamics and evolving organizational needs. Regularly revisit benchmark practices to ensure they remain effective. So the basically the best practices can help organizations not only improve their supply chain performance but also stay competitive in the dynamic world of supply chain management. So basically we discussed today our learning outcome 3, which was also a last topic of our unit. So here we discussed understand the role of intra and inter-organizational benchmarking in supply chain and operations. So we talk about understanding the significance of KPIs in supply chain, then explore type of KPI in supply chain management. When we discussed about selecting relevant KPIs for supply chain, understanding how benchmark enhance supply chain performance, then intra-organizational benchmarking, benefit intra-change benchmarking, then inter-organizational benchmarking, benefit of inter-organizational benchmarking, the power of benchmarking in supply chain, benchmarking process from planning to implementations, tools and technologies. We also discussed, case study as well, inter-chain organizational benchmarking, then challenges in benchmarking and how to overcome them, then best practices for successful benchmarking in supply chain management. So that's it. This was our today's lecture, and this is our last lecture for this series. So tomorrow we will discuss our assignment. Any questions or any comments, Al?
No questions so far, but yeah, I will go through it. I will ping you on this, so if you can share me the slide, it will be helpful for me also.
No problem. What I'll do that. Have you started your assignment as well, or?
For this one?
Yeah, supply chain management.
No, not for this.
Uh,
Because right now I'm doing procurement and logistics, so I'll finish that and start this.
have you messaged me before?
No, but I can let me ping.
Can you do it now then, if it isn't
Yeah.
an issue for you? If you can do it now, then I will message you these slides now.
I sent you a hi.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, so are you okay with it? Your assignment or whatever you're doing?
Yeah, I mean, it's okay. I have already submitted a couple of them now. So I will start this supply chain modeling, and after I finish my procurement and logistics. It's a little time consuming. So that's because I need to have some time also apart from office. So that's the only problem. Otherwise, it's all okay.
Oh, okay. So can you check that? And also you can go through your learning management system, Moodles, and you can see if there are any things there. There will be few books as well, or
Yeah,
might
there are
Yeah, some material will be there as well. So
Correct.
tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow is obviously important day for us. We will discuss our
Okay.
assignments. Whenever you know that make your assignment, make sure about references anyway, references and
Yeah,
uh,
sure. Yeah.
okay. So that's it for today. Arl, if you have any questions, any comments or concerns, please drop me an email at Yasser at ukvarsity.co.uk.
All right.
Everyone is bye for now, and I'll see you tomorrow at 3 p.m.
See you
Thanks.
tomorrow.
Take
Yeah.
your time.
Thank you
Thanks
so
and
much.
bye
Yeah.
for now.
Have a great day. Bye.
Yes.